Hello, this is MRI Mathematics. Here is a geometry math problem. Let us first look at the problem. Here is a circle whose center is point O. AC is a chord and angle ABC is equal to 15 degree. The perimeters of the circle is 35. Then what is the value of AC? If you want to give a try, then pause the video and try it. Here is the solution. We know that central angle is 2 times of cyclic angle. So angle AOC is equal to 2 of angle ABC. Then 2 into 15 degrees and is equal to 30 degree. Then we know perimeter 2 pi r is equal to 35. Then r is equal to 35 divided by 2 pi and r is equal to 5.6. So AO is equal to OC is equal to R is equal to 5.6. Then the area of triangle AOC is equal to half of AO of OC into sine angle AOC is equal to half of 5.6 into 5.6 into sine 30 is equal to 7.84. Then as AO is equal to OC, angle OAC is equal to angle OCA. In triangle AOC, angle AOC plus angle OAC plus angle OCA is equal to 180 degree. Then we will write down the value of angle AOC and we will get this. And after that, as we know, angle OCA is equal to angle OAC. We'll write this, and after that we will find the value of angle OCA, and which is 75 degree. Again, the area of triangle AOC is equal to half of OC into AC into sine angle OCA. Then we will write down the values and we will find the value of AC, and we will get the value of AC is equal to 2.9, and this is the answer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel. Follow me on Facebook. The link is in the description.